Taking some pictures. How are you today?
You can't be on this property taking pictures, man.
I'm on public property.
This is actually public property.
Several feet back it is, but this is public property right here.
We're all the way from here on.
No.
Sheriff's on the place, so he'll let you know.
Yeah, that's fine. Thank you.
Hi, if you don't mind, please put
I
that
do.
down.
I do.
Well, you're not allowed to record
Then get away from me.
if you don't.
Then get away. Get away from me. Get away from me. If you don't
I'm
like
sorry,
it, get away from
this
me.
is our
Don't like
property.
it,
You
get away
do.
from me.
You have an ID?
For what?
Obviously you got a call on you. What are you doing out here?
I'm taking pictures.
Why?
And then they came bothering me.
Why?
I wanted to. Can I get your name and badge number?
Well, when we get done, I'll give it to you. No problem. What's?
I'm just taking pictures.
You have a license with you?
Why would you want that?
Oh, 'cause I have the right ID. I'm here on a call, man.
Did I commit a crime? Did I commit a crime?
I didn't say you did.
Then why would you want my ID?
Do you own that property right there? Huh? Do you own this?
I do not.
Can you move your purse, please, so I can get your plate? Ma'am, I have a right to get your plate, too. This is not your property. Seriously. Why make this
Why
harder
are
than
you
what it
bothering
is?
me?
Because
Why?
they called.
That's their problem. I'm taking pictures of that
Okay.
property,
Okay.
and I'm standing on public property, bothering no one, and it's
Okay.
not a crime. It's a First Amendment right,
Okay.
and I can exercise it if I want to.
Okay, it's a crime for you to park your car here.
Really?
Yeah. Do you own this property? Ma'am, I'm not here to argue with you. I'm here because I got called. We get off in 25
That's
minutes.
their problem if I'm not committing a crime.
You are now.
Really?
Do you own this property? Seriously. You don't. I mean, whatever your issue is with them, that's fine. That's
I don't
on
have an
you.
issue with them. I was taking pictures.
Okay.
Okay.
Well, sounds to me you're recording, or it looks like you're recording.
The video. Yeah.
Okay.
Same as like many
That's
pictures
fine.
in a row.
That's fine.
Yeah. It is fine. So this isn't necessary.
I mean,
Maybe you should let them know what's public property and that anybody can take pictures and video anywhere on public property of anything that they can see from public view, period. And there's nothing else
as long
about
as
it,
you're
because
not-
that's
as long as you're not obstructing traffic.
I wasn't.
Did I say you were?
I said I wasn't.
Okay.
I can talk without you asking me a question.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you don't own this property, so you need to go.
How are you today?
Do you have permission to be on this property?
Can I get your name and badge
No,
number?
you can't. I need your ID, please.
Did
Do
I
you have
commit
your
a
ID?
crime?
Do you have your ID? I need to see your ID. Are you refusing
Did I
to
commit
ID
a crime?
yourself?
Did I commit a crime?
You're failing to ID
Did
yourself.
I commit a crime?
You are failing to ID yourself.
Did I commit a crime?
I'm going to go ahead and detain you for right now, please. Okay? You're failing to identify yourself. You're being detained because you're failing to ID yourself. I asked for your ID. Are you refusing to ID yourself?
Did I commit a crime?
Are you refusing to ID yourself?
Did I commit a crime?
Yes, you did. Failing to ID yourself.
Did I commit a crime?
Failing to ID yourself. Okay?
That's a secondary charge. Did I commit a crime?
Yes, you did. You're trespassing. Do you have permission to be on this property? Okay? So, no problem. You're failing to ID yourself? No problem. Okay? So you're not going to ID yourself? Is that what you're saying? So we can do this. Okay, you're failing to ID yourself. I'm requesting you to ID yourself. You're not doing it.
Did I commit a crime?
Yes, you did. You're trespassing. This is not your property or anything of the case. You do not have permission to be on this property.
Whose property?
Not yours.
Really?
Yes.
Whose is it?
I'll tell you that. Okay, this is not your property. Okay, so you want to do it this way? This way we'll do it. Okay. You're going to be arrested for failing to identify yourself. Okay. We're here. We got a complaint. You're not on public property or
I was
private
on
property.
public property. I walked over here because he
Is
walked
this
over
private
here.
property?
I walked over here with him.
Your car.
I walked over here with you. I was on public property.
Is your car on
Public
public
property. I was on public property, and they called you.
No problem.
I walked over here with him.
Okay, you got arrested because you failed to identify yourself. You're
For what
required by
crime?
law.
What was I arrested for? What was I
Trespassing.
arrested for? What,
Trespassing.
well,
You have to
what
ID.
property owner called you and said to trespass her?
Man, do you own this property?
Do
just
you?
can't come in.
Do you?
And a click on a computer, we
okay.
can find out who owns it. I
I
guarantee
can
it's
do.
not going to be you.
Okay?
Did
No
a
problem.
property owner call and say, have this woman off my
No
property?
problem.
Did you? Did that happen?
Okay. I told you what's going on. I asked you to identify yourself before we even touched that. You failed to identify yourself.
I didn't commit a crime.
You're as far as
I
you're
didn't
wanted.
commit a crime.
You're wanted.
I'm wanted.
You're wanted.
For what?
How do I know? You won't tell me your
talking
name.
about?
You have warrants because you're not telling me who you are, so I'm assuming you're
That's
wanted.
insane. That's insane
Okay.
logic. That's insane.
No problem.
I don't have
Where's
to.
your
I
ID
committed
at?
a crime.
Where's your driver's license?
Where's your driver's
If
license?
it's this car, I have the inventory and I need to ID you.
Your car's getting towed and everything else. Is this the way you want to do it?
I didn't commit a crime.
You failed to identify yourself.
I didn't commit a crime.
You failed to
I did
identify
you.
yourself.
I did not do anything wrong.
See those cameras in the car? This is all
Yes.
being recorded too. So,
Great.
all right, so no problem.
I didn't commit a crime to be
Sure you
arrested
did.
for.
Okay, I wanted to ID yourself because I want to make sure you have permission to be on this property. Do you have permission from your
So
homeowner?
you arrest people and then you investigate?
Yeah. Okay.
I tried. You wouldn't do it.